In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up role-based access in Team Password Tools, ensuring that your team has the right access without compromising security. If you want to know how to manage your passwords more efficiently and securely, this is the video for you. Stick around till the end because I've got a special free trial offer for you that'll let you follow along. Now, let's jump into setting up role-based access. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Team Password Management tool. Once you're in, navigate to your team settings or user management section. This is where you'll be able to assign different roles and permissions to team members. From here, you'll want to create custom roles or use preset roles depending on your software. For example, in this software, you can assign roles like admin, manager, and viewer. Each role has different levels of access, allowing you to control what each team member can view, edit, or manage. Let's start with creating a new role. Go to your settings, click on roles, and then select Add New Role. Here, you can define what this role can and can't do. For example, an admin might have full access to everything, including changing settings, adding users, and modifying passwords. On the other hand, a viewer would only have read-only access to certain password vaults or folders. Next, assign specific permissions. You can allow access to different groups of passwords or restrict access to sensitive data. This is where the power of role-based access truly shines. You're not giving everyone the same level of control, but rather a custom-tailored level of access based on their responsibilities. If you have team members who only need to view certain passwords but not edit or share them, this level of access is perfect. Once you've set the roles and permissions, the next step is to assign those roles to your team members. Go to your users or team section, find the user you want to assign a role to, and select the role from the drop-down menu. Now that person will only have access to the areas and tools they need for their role. If someone's responsibilities change, it's easy to update their access at any time. Before we wrap up, make sure you're aware of one key takeaway. Role-based access is essential for maintaining security while ensuring efficiency in password management. By setting the right roles for your team, you're limiting exposure to sensitive data and ensuring that each team member has the access they need to do their job. To recap, we covered how to log in and access your team settings, how to create and customize roles, how to assign permissions to each role, and how to assign those roles to individual users. Remember, role-based access isn't just about convenience, it's also a key part of protecting your sensitive data. Finally, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and it's the perfect opportunity to follow along with this tutorial using the software I've recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.